67 small block Ford, just got done on it. Everything went great. Description is combination. It's got our new cylinder head on it, Scorpion roller rockers. Hydraulic roller motor, we had that ground by custom comp. It's got a Billet Specialties front end on it. Front sump oil pan. It's EFI, that's a Holley Sniper system. Their distributor, ignition box coil, real nice plug and play. It's got a Victor Jr. on it. We'll take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 2,900, it's 498 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 532, real flat up there. Peak horsepower 517. It's a 500 version, and it's got a front end on it that's about 15-20 horsepower, so it runs really good. We kind of attribute that to the new cylinder head, some of it, and it's got a open plenum manifold on it, so that definitely makes it make some power up here. Still makes really good torque. Moved it up a little bit, so we'll get her off there, get her in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.